Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to apply as a global writer in Italy step by step. So let's get started. First, you want to open any browser, then look for Glovo Writer Apply. Then you want to click this official link. And then from here, once you're on the site, just choose the city in Italy where you want to apply, then select your vehicle. This could be a bicycle, motorbike, electric scooter, or even walking. Once you're done, just go ahead and submit. Then you'll need to enter your personal information. On that page, your first name, last name, email, and phone number will be asked. And don't forget to review and agree to the privacy policy. Then, after filling in the form, just hit submit, and this will move you to the next stage. On the next stage, Glovo will ask for more details like your proof of identification, some personal information, and details about your vehicle. Then finally, once everything is complete, Glovo will send you an email with updates about your application and the next steps. And that's it. That's how you apply to become a global writer in Italy. Super simple, right? We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.